Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel English Guruji. Right? So today we will learn about present perfect tense. Identification, that how we can identify this tense, that we can identify it as that the Hindi sentences, those are ending with the words like चुका है, चुके हैं, चुकी है, लिया है, दिया है, खाया है, पिया है, means you will find here the action is completed, right? Okay, clear? Helping verb that you can use in this tense is has and have. Okay, where we can use has is used with the subject, those are singular, he, she, it. Okay, is it clear? Then with I you can use have, right? And with the rest of the plural subjects like they, we, you, with that you can use have. Clear? Okay, and in this tense you can use verb third form, means past participle, right? Example is given here: play, played, played. So the past participle can be used here in this tense, right? Okay, then there are the adverbials also, right? So adverbials are just, never, ever, already, recently, yet, before, till now, right? So here we can take the example of one of the adverbials, right? I have already taken the tea. So here you are finding the word, means adverbials, that is already, right? So you are already, then I have just finished my work. So you are finding here just, so that is a adverbial, right? So you can use them also in the present perfect tense. Clear? Okay, so we can proceed for the sentence making, right? How we can make the sentence? See, firstly simple sentence, right? Pattern, subject, then helping verb, that is has and have. Okay, according to the subject. Okay, if the subject is singular, then has. If the subject is plural, then have, right? So helping verb, has and have. Okay, then verb third form, then object. So this is the pattern. Okay, that how you can make the sentence. So here we can take the example in Hindi, right? हमने मैच जीत लिया है, राइट? तो हमने मैच जीत लिया है. सो हमने, वी, ओके, क्या जीता है? मैच. ओके, सो वी क्या है? वी इज प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. सो विथ प्लूरल विच हेल्पिंग वर्ब वी कैन यूज? हैव. ओके, वी हैव. ओके, देन वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म, जीत लिया है. सो जीतना क्या है? दैट इज वर्ब. क्रिया है, दैट इज एक्शन. ओके, सो जीत लिया है. एंड व्हाट इज द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ऑफ द विन? वन, राइट? ओके, विन, वन, वन. ओके, वी हैव वन what? Object, the match. Now negative sentence, it's very simple. Okay, if you are following the rules and the pattern of making the sentences in the tense, then you will find it very easy, right? Negative sentence. Okay, in negative sentence, use of not with helping verb, but in the beginning, what? Subject. Then has, not, and have not. It's according to the subject, plural and singular. Okay, then verb, third form, and then object. Okay, so we can change the same sentence into the negative one. Now all of you change it. We have not won the match. It means that हमने मैच नहीं जीत लिया है, right? Okay, so it's a negative, right? Now you can proceed for the next, that is interrogative. So what we do in the interrogative sentence? We ask question, right? What we do? We ask question. Okay, so see, okay, pattern, subject, then helping verb, sorry, subject is written after the helping verb. So here helping verb comes before the subject in the interrogative sentence. Has, and then have, and after that subject, okay, then verb, third form, and then object. And at the end, don't forget to put the sign of interrogation. Clear? Okay, so what was our sentence? We have won the match. So here we will ask the question. We can ask the question from the other. Okay, we can ask from other. Have we won the match? Right? Okay, look at the pattern. Have. So H capital, that is in the beginning. Okay, have, then subject we. Have we, third form of win, won. Have we won the match? So this is, you can ask the question, क्या हमने मैच जीत लिया है? Okay, then you can proceed for the next one, that is negative interrogative sentence. Okay, so in the negative interrogative sentence, here you should be very attentive, right? Has, have, then subject, and after subject you will use not. Okay, because in such type of the sentences we ask what the question, but in the negative form, so we are always remain in the confusion that where we have to make the use of not. Okay, so that you can make after subject. Clear? Then verb, third form, and after that object. Clear? And sign of interrogation. So it's very simple. I hope that you can change it into the negative interrogative, right? Okay, have we, after we is subject, after we not. Have we not won the match? Okay, so at the end, sign of interrogation. Clear? I hope you have understood all the four sentences, okay, and this present perfect tense. Clear? Okay, but you must keep one thing in your mind, that is use of what? Use of subject. With which subject we can make the use of has, and with which subject we can make the use of have, right? So be clear about these things. Okay, so now I can write on some more examples about the adverbials, because we have talked about the adverbials also. Okay, you can change this sentence, हमने मैच जीत लिया है. You can change that into the adverbial. Okay, we have just won the match. हमने अभी अभी मैच जीत लिया है. We have just won the match. Okay, right? I have already finished my assignment. Okay, for example, your teacher has given you the assignment, okay, and you are replying, then you can say that I have already completed my assignment. Okay, clear? So now it's your time that you have to make the sentences. Okay, so I'll write here few verbs, then you can make the sentences by using those verbs. So there are the few of the verbs, right? 5 verbs are there. So you can make the sentence but in present perfect tense. Okay, and firstly you will make them in the affirmative sentence, then change them in negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. Okay, the first verb, that is send. Send means भेजना किसी को, ठीक है, कुछ भी, as you are sending a letter, right? Watch, right? Watch करना, देखना. Drive, driving करना. Okay, express, as I am expressing, right? व्यक्त करना अपने आप को. And investigate, जांच पड़ताल करना. Okay, so second and third form means past and past participle of this verb. Send, sent, sent. Watch, watched, watched. Drive, drove, driven. Okay, express, expressed, expressed. And investigate, investigated, investigated. Okay, so I hope that you will do this work. Okay, and thank you for watching this video.